Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to animate a bicycle. So let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to do is create our bicycle wheels and our pedal. Those are the main things that we the only things that we need to animate. So we're going to get that out of the way one time. So let's start. We're going to create the bicycle spokes, the bicycle wheel spokes. Just going to select a line shape. And we have our line, and we're going to duplicate that 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We're going to go under format shape. Under rotation, we're going to move each line by 30 degrees. So this one will be 30, this one will be 60, this one will be 90, be 120, 150, 210, because we have to skip out the 180, and 240 degrees. And we're going to select each of them, and we're going to align. We're going to click align center, and then align again, align middle. And we have our star looking thingy, which is our bicycle spokes, and we simply just take a circle and place around it, and just make sure that it matches, just to make sure it matches our shape. There we go. And we're going to remove the fill. We're going to click on no fill, and we have our bicycle wheel. So let's just group all these things together. Group. We have our bicycle wheel. We duplicate that. We have 2 bicycle wheels. Let's just place them here and here. Let's give them a little distance. There we go. So we have our 2 bicycle wheels. So let's create our pedal, and then we'll do the animations, and then we can construct the rest of the bicycle around it. So the pedal, we will use a circle, a small circle, and we will use a rectangle, which would be a little longer than our circle, and the rectangle will be placed in the center of this circle, like that. Now let's duplicate this rectangle, and we're going to place it on top of this rectangle, and we're going to select these 2, and we're going to group them so that they become one. And then we're going to select this first one, and we're going to remove the fill and the outline as well, because essentially this will be rotating. So, and let's create the actual pedal now, which is simply a rectangle placed on the bottom of this. All right. I want to give it a little bit of space. There we go. So this is our pedal here. Let's select them, and let's copy them, and we're going to paste it. So this will be going on the other side of the circle, but we have to rotate it first. All right, and we're going to line them up. This will be helpful for our animation. Here we go. So this will be, we'll have to remember to send this to back, but let's animate our pedal. First things first, these rectangles will be given a spin animation. There we go. And we will just let that play until the end of slide. Pedal itself will be given a shape animation, which goes around in a circle. Now it clearly goes in the opposite direction, so let's just switch the direction. So what we're basically going to do is line it up so that it matches the shape. So we're simply going to try and get it within our circle here. All right, and we're gonna let that play with previous. All right, and we're going to remove the smooth start and smooth end, and we're also going to let this play until the end of slide. So let's see how they look together. And we basically do the same thing for this animation. This other rectangle will be given a spin animation as well. All right, that will also be playing until the end of slide and with previous. And this next pedal will also be given a shape animation. It goes in the, and we simply line it up. And we allow that to go with previous. We take off the smooth start, the smooth end with previous. Let's see how it looks. Now it looks pretty weird, but let's send this rectangle to back, and now we'll see how it looks. We also have to send this pedal to back as well. I'll send this one to back. All right. So we have our pedal animation, and the wheels, the bicycle wheels, will simply be given a spin animation. And they'll all be going with previous until the end of slide. And we simply bring all these things all right. So that's pretty much the animation part of it, and we can simply create our bicycle. So to create our bicycle, I'm simply going to follow the steps that I followed here, follow the shapes. So I see we have a line here that stems from the middle of the bicycle a little way up. So I'll just insert a line. Carry it about here. And there's a sort of triangle that ends in the middle of this circle here. So, Let's just and there's a line that connects from here, from the middle of this circle to this line as well. Let's connect it to about here. And that, and we could extend this line a bit. We'll simply just add our seat. A simple shape like this for our seat would get the job done. And we more or less have our bicycle. Just to create the final handlebar. And we have our bicycle. It's a pretty simple animation, and that's it. I thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe this video if you enjoy, and check out the channel for other videos on cool animations and video effects in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.